Only about 8% of Americans ever reach a net worth of $1 million. But here's the surprising part: most millionaires didn't get there by winning the lottery or launching massive companies. They built wealth slowly using simple strategies like investing, saving, and compounding. So the real question is, how does an average person build a $1 million portfolio? Money bag. Introduction. Building a $1 million portfolio may sound impossible at first. But when the right financial habits and investment strategies are used, it becomes a realistic long-term goal. In this video, the exact strategies used by many successful investors to grow their wealth will be explained. From consistent investing and diversification to the power of compound growth, these steps can help turn small investments into a large portfolio over time. Watch until the end because a bonus tip will reveal one of the biggest mistakes that prevents people from ever reaching the $1 million mark. Visual: show investment chart growing from small amount to $1 million. Section 1. Start investing as early as possible. Time is the most powerful tool when building wealth. The earlier investing begins, the more time money has to grow through compounding. For example, investing $500 per month with an average 8% annual return could grow to over $1 million in about 35 years. Visual: compound interest graph rising dramatically. But if investing starts 10 years later, reaching the same goal becomes much harder. This is why starting early matters more than starting with a large amount of money. Section 2. Invest consistently every month. Consistency is more important than timing the market. Many people wait for the perfect time to invest. But the truth is, no one can consistently predict market movements. A simple strategy called dollar cost averaging solves this problem. This means investing a fixed amount of money regularly, regardless of market conditions. Visual: calendar showing monthly investments going into a portfolio. Over time, this approach smooths out market volatility and helps grow wealth steadily. Section 3. Focus on long-term investments. Short-term trading can be risky and unpredictable. Instead, long-term investors often focus on assets like index funds, exchange-traded funds, diversified stock portfolios. These investments track large portions of the market and historically grow over long periods. Visual: stock market index chart trending upward over decades. The key idea is patience. Wealth often grows slowly at first, then accelerates as compounding begins to take effect. Section 4. Reinvest dividends. Many companies pay dividends to shareholders. Instead of withdrawing these payments, successful investors often reinvest dividends back into the portfolio. This allows the dividends themselves to start generating additional returns. Visual: dividend payments flowing back into investment chart. Over decades, reinvesting dividends can significantly increase portfolio growth. Section 5. Increase investments as income grows. As income increases, investment contributions should also increase. For example, early career invest $200 per month. Mid-career invest $800 per month. Later career invest $1,500 or more. Visual: salary bar rising alongside investment contributions. This gradual increase accelerates wealth building over time. Many million-dollar portfolios grow faster during the later years simply because larger amounts are being invested. Section 6. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification helps reduce risk while maintaining growth potential. Instead of investing everything into a single stock, successful portfolios often include multiple asset types. These may include stocks, ETFs, real estate investments, bonds. Visual: pie chart showing diversified investment portfolio. Diversification helps protect wealth during market fluctuations. When one investment performs poorly, others may perform better. Section 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest obstacles to building wealth is lifestyle inflation. As income increases, spending often increases as well. New cars, expensive gadgets, and luxury upgrades can quietly consume money that could have been invested. Visual, split screen showing spending versus investing paths. Instead, many wealthy individuals focus on increasing their investment rate rather than their lifestyle costs. This simple shift can dramatically accelerate portfolio growth. Section 8. Let compound interest do the work. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. This happens when investment returns begin generating their own returns. At first, growth may seem slow. But over time, the compounding effect becomes powerful. Visual, small snowball rolling downhill becoming massive. For example, a portfolio might grow like this. $10,000, $25,000, $80,000, $250,000, $1 million. The biggest growth often happens in the later years. Bonus tips. Here are a few additional tips that many successful investors follow. First, keep investment fees low. High fees can quietly reduce long-term returns. Second, avoid emotional investing. Market crashes and volatility are normal. Visual, stock market dropping then recovering over time. Investors who panic and sell often miss the recovery that follows. Finally, stay focused on the long-term goal. Building a $1 million portfolio rarely happens overnight. But with discipline, patience, and consistent investing, it becomes an achievable financial milestone for many people. And here's something even more important to understand. Building a $1 million portfolio isn't just about how much money is invested. It's also about how long that money stays invested. Many people stop too early. They invest for a few years, see slow growth, and give up. But the real magic of wealth building happens after years of consistency. Visual, timeline showing investments growing slowly at first, then rapidly later. Think about it this way. During the early years, most of the portfolio growth comes from new contributions. Every deposit increases the total value. But later, something powerful happens. The portfolio itself begins generating most of the growth. For example, a portfolio worth $50,000 growing at 8% earns about $4,000 per year. But a portfolio worth $500,000 at the same return earns $40,000 per year, without adding any extra money. Visual, numbers counting up from $50,000 to $500,000. At that point, money is working harder than the person investing it. Money bag. This is the stage where wealth really begins to accelerate. Another powerful strategy is automating investments. Instead of relying on motivation every month, many investors set up automatic transfers directly into their investment accounts. Visual, bank transfer automatically moving money into investment account. This approach removes emotion from the process. Money gets invested whether the market is up or down. And over time, automation builds one of the most valuable financial habits: consistency. Taxes are another important factor when building a large portfolio. Using tax-advantaged accounts can significantly increase long-term growth. In the United States, many investors use accounts such as retirement investment plans that allow money to grow with tax advantages. Visual, tax shield icon protecting growing investments. Lower taxes mean more money stays invested, and more money invested means faster compounding. Another overlooked strategy is focusing on increasing income. While saving money is important, increasing earning power can dramatically speed up portfolio growth. Higher income allows larger investment contributions each year. Visual, career ladder rising alongside investment portfolio. Some people increase income through promotions, new skills, or additional income streams. Even small increases in income directed toward investments can add hundreds of thousands of dollars to a portfolio over time. But perhaps the most powerful habit of all is long-term thinking. Markets will rise and fall. Economic news will constantly change. And short-term volatility will always exist. Visual, stock chart showing short-term dips but long-term upward trend. However, history has repeatedly shown that long-term investors are often rewarded for patience. Instead of reacting to every market headline, successful investors focus on the bigger picture, decades of growth rather than days or weeks. In the end, building a $1 million portfolio comes down to a few simple principles. Start early. Invest consistently. Stay diversified. Reinvest earnings. And remain patient. None of these strategies require luck or special financial knowledge. They simply require discipline and time. And for those who follow these principles, reaching a $1 million portfolio becomes less of a dream, and more of a planned financial destination. Over time, something remarkable begins to happen. The portfolio that once started with small deposits slowly transforms into a powerful financial engine. Every contribution, every reinvested dividend, and every year of patience pushes it closer to the $1 million milestone. Visual, investment chart gradually climbing toward $1 million. At first, the progress may seem slow. The first $10,000 can take time. Reaching $100,000 may feel like a huge achievement. But after that point, momentum begins to build. Financial experts often say that the first $100,000 is the hardest. Once that milestone is reached, the power of compounding begins accelerating portfolio growth much faster. Visual, milestone markers appearing: $10,000, $100,000, $500,000, $1 million. A portfolio that grows to $300,000 can start producing tens of thousands in growth during strong market years. At $500,000, the portfolio begins working even harder. And eventually, after years of consistent investing and patience, the number many people dream about finally appears on the screen. $1 million. Money bag. Visual, portfolio value crossing the $1 million mark with celebration animation. But reaching $1 million isn't the end of the journey. For many investors, it becomes the beginning of something even more powerful: financial freedom. A well-built portfolio can generate income through dividends, growth, and long-term appreciation. This income can help fund major life goals such as retirement, travel, or spending more time with family. Visual, peaceful retirement lifestyle, beach house, travel scenes. And the most important lesson from this entire journey is simple. Wealth rarely happens overnight. It grows quietly in the background through discipline, patience, and smart financial decisions made year after year. So whether the starting point is $100, $1,000, or $10,000, the key is to begin and stay consistent. Because the earlier the process starts, the more powerful the results can become over time. Chart increasing. Visual, final shot of portfolio chart continuing to rise beyond $1 million. And who knows? The next portfolio that reaches the $1 million milestone might just be the one that starts today.